Small business insurance. Is there a method to the madness? Good question. Hi, Ryan Hanley here, founder and president of Rogue Risk, where we do insurance differently, specifically by giving you knowledge and information to make the right insurance decision. This Good Question series is really meant to help small business owners and leaders build the foundation of insurance upon which they can grow their business. You can't take risk if you don't have that solid foundation of insurance to back you up if something does go wrong. And that's what this series is all about, is answering those questions. If you enjoy this series, if you want more small business owners to see it, please smash that like button for me. And if you want more of this content, hit subscribe. Either way, appreciate you being here. Now, is there a method to the madness when it comes to small business insurance? Now, what most people do is they buy the first policy they can get at the cheapest rate and they forget about their insurance altogether. My friends, this is probably the worst way to buy insurance. Now, maybe it's worked for you for a while, and if you have, then you've been rolling sevens for a while and hitting on that pass line, and good for you. But what I will say is there needs to be a method to the madness. Whether you have one or not, there should be, and there needs to be a method to the madness, because if you have that bad day, God forbid, if you have that bad day, the only institution, the only entity that is going to come to save your business, it's going to walk in your front door and hand you a check and say, hey, I know this really terrible thing happened, but at least financially we can get you back to where you need to be so you can start rebuilding, is your insurance company. So that being said, thinking through your insurance program in a logical set of steps with clear, concise language is exactly what we do. We do it on your terms. We work in all 50 states. And the reason for this is because we want to make sure that small business owners understand that by just some simple questioning, some simple talk and thought, you can actually build out a policy that works for your business, not just today, but into the future, and can grow and adapt as your business changes. Thinking through things like the potential need for workers' comp, what workers' comp means for your business, and are you set up properly so you don't get that big audit bill at the end of the year? Have you shopped out your commercial auto? Are you making the right decision by having a company car under your personal name or your business name? How, are you managing your drivers and all that kind of stuff? Do you have employment practices liability for hiring and firing and internal issues between employees and between management? What about cyber liability? Cyber liability very much is most likely going to be more important to your business in the next 5 to 10 years than your general liability. I mean, a slip and fall in your business is certainly possible, but there's a hacker most likely right now pinging your servers with a bot trying to find weaknesses as you watch this video. So do you have cyber? And what does cyber mean? And can you package your cyber into your business owner's policy, or should you have a standalone cyber policy? These are all questions that really need to be thought through and answered in order to properly protect your business. Additionally, bonding. What if you need bonding? Can you get bonding quickly? Is bonding keeping you off a job? These are the types of questions that have to be answered, and only by walking through a very specific process can you have them answered. Can you make sure that once you do answer those questions, that a program is built that's fit for your business? And that's why at Rogue Risk, our motto is small business insurance on autopilot. That is what we do. We're here to help you build that program and make sure that there is a method to the small business insurance madness. If you'd like to work with us, give us a call, 518-960-6600. I also know most of you watching this are probably too busy for a phone call to start this conversation. So just visit us online at roguerisk.com. You can go to roguerisk.com today, start the conversation, or I'm sure there's a button or a link somewhere around this video that will let you contact us. Whichever way you choose, we look forward to working with you.